Hi, I'm Ed Davis, the president here at Sealoom, and I want to take just a minute to introduce you to Sahara, the subtle style that slides right in where nothing but simplicity will do. To start, yeah, they're plastic, and that's a good thing. Sahara ceiling tiles are made from our signature series 30 thousandths thick vinyl plastic and are unlike any ceiling tile you will ever see or feel. They're robust yet flexible, and their thermoformed design combined with the inherent strength of vinyl makes these tiles rigid, durable, and easy to install and maintain. They're Class A fire rated, 100% recyclable, completely waterproof, Greenguard Gold Certified for indoor air quality, and made in the USA. Available in 10 designer colors and finishes, their timeless texture will add the finishing touch to your ceiling for years to come. Sahara ceiling tiles can be mounted directly to ceilings or walls using adhesive, or installed in either standard 1-inch or slimline 9/16" T-bar grid systems. You can even slide them beneath your existing mineral fiber ceiling tiles. Sahara ceiling tiles also work well with recessed lighting. Just be sure to choose a fixture that mounts to your ceiling grid. Most ceilings will have some less than full-size border sections. For those areas, simply cut your ceiling tiles to fit with snips. If you have any questions or would like to see a free sample, please do not hesitate to give us a call. And remember, you belong under Sealoom.